These are the parking elevators at the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Fantech City. Innovation bruiser call button. They put that on when they were modernizing the Tower B elevators, but these are still Otis Lexan, even though they were added on later on from the Tower A main elevators. Alright, we're going to go down to B6, B5, this elevator can handle an extra 100 pounds. It's got an Innovation floor passing chime as well. Alright, we're going to go back up to the lobby. No bakelite buttons on these elevators since they're a little bit newer. Just the Lexan. And that's it.